let's talk about toolbar in SwiftUI. let's discuss about toolbar in SwiftUI. So we will discuss SwiftUI toolbar modifier. Let us place bar button item anywhere in the top or bottom space, anywhere in the top and bottom space, but only when our view is embedded inside a navigation view. But only our view is embedded inside a navigation view. If you want to place buttons into a toolbar at the bottom of the screen, use toolbar the create on this toolbar. So what is toolbar item? With the placement on the bottom of bar. What is toolbar item? A model that represents an item which can be placed in the toolbar and navigation. We're gonna create on this toolbar item command n, which have a SwiftUI view. This name is toolbar example. Toolbar item we can create on this toolbar example. So this is a create on this toolbar item. We're gonna create on this navigation view. We're gonna create on this text. Toolbar demo, which have text on this, assign on this, otherwise text and dot. We're gonna apply this navigation bar title, which have navigation bar SwiftUI toolbar. Resume on this application SwiftUI toolbar. This is add on this toolbar. We're gonna add on this toolbar dot toolbar, which shows on the dot toolbar, and this content toolbar, and this content, remove on this content, the toolbar apply on this, and we're gonna create on this toolbar item. We're gonna create on this toolbar item. We're gonna create on this toolbar item, and which have initializer, suppose ID, not placement. We're gonna apply on this placement. So this is a placement dot, and apply this bottom bar. We can assign this dot placement. So suppose we're gonna apply this dot bottom bar. We're gonna assign this bottom bar, and we can set on this top bar. We can remove on this dot bottom bar. We have to assign on this bottom bar, and we're gonna create on this, suppose, so this is a button. We're gonna create on this button action and label. This is the action is remove, and this button name is, suppose this is a done. We can add on this toolbar button on this done. So suppose those bottom bar, and we're gonna create on this, suppose we can use tab on this action, and we can use of parent on this button tab. We're gonna resume on this application. So this is a done button. We can active on this done button. So this is a done button. So toolbar SwiftUI toolbar. This is a simply one condition apply on this toolbar. When our view is embedded inside a navigation view. This is a toolbar. And we can add on this another button. To get more than one button, as the toolbar group of items. So we can set up toolbar group item. item group, toolbar item group. So we're gonna apply this first button, and we're gonna apply this second button, spacer. We're gonna apply this spacer, and we're gonna apply this second button which have a failed. This is a failed button, and we're gonna create on this statement event on this failed, and you can add on this another button. We're gonna add on this another button. Suppose we're gonna create on this, we can use of spacer, and we can use of another button, failed, remove. We can add this remove button. We're gonna use of print statement, remove button. We can add this button on this. This is a remove button, and this is a failed. So we can add on this button. So we can resume on this application. So SwiftUI toolbar modifier let us place bar bottom items anywhere in the top or bottom place space, but in the top or bottom space only when our view is embedded inside a navigation view. If you want to place button into a toolbar at the bottom on the screen, use on this create on this toolbar item and toolbar group of item placement. Done, failed, and this remove on this button. We can assign on this image. We can assign this image. Suppose we have first is remove on this text. We can assign this image, system name. So this is a string, book dot fill. This is the image. Add on this toolbar. Image, failed, and remove. We can add on this toolbar. It's image. Add on this image. Okay. We can add on this. Suppose which have add on this text. And we're gonna apply on this restack in the image and text. This is a book, and we're gonna apply this properties. Suppose this font is call out, smallest on the book, failed, and this is the to create on this toolbar. This is modify on this toolbar and this SwiftUI toolbar, and we can set on this. Suppose which have set on this toolbar SwiftUI. So SwiftUI first condition is applies in our view is embedded inside a navigation view. Inside a navigation view. This is a create on this custom toolbar. So toolbar item in SwiftUI. So thank you for watching this video. We can run on this toolbar application. Check on this. We can use the print statement failed and print statement remove. So we can take toolbar item, toolbar example, which have created on this toolbar. We're going to calling on this our window. We can run on this project. This is the toolbar example, and remove. We can fail on this task. This is a tab event. This is a book not. This is a failed. This is a failed. We're gonna apply on this failed and print on this field, and this is a remove. This remove statement. We can apply on this. We're gonna apply on this event tab event on this code. Failed, and this is book not apply on this field. This is a not apply on this statement. This is the SwiftUI toolbar. Superb design in the SwiftUI toolbar. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of SwiftUI toolbar.